spinning screwdrivers, mechanicals. This door is really stuck. Was that you, Tilly? Look, it's Trevor the Tractor. Oh, sounds like you could use our help. Follow me. Nuts and bolts. I can see the problem already. We need to repair your gears. Mechs, we'll need some gear oil and Grandma Gecko's super strong wrench. Whoa! Careful, mechanicals. You need strong muscles to clench to lift up this wrench. Ah, there. That's better. Those are some cosy cogs. Try it now, Trevor. Tractors need strong gears to push and pull heavy loads. Perhaps Trevor could use his strength to help us. Pull away, friends! Hooray! Great job, team! See you again soon, Trevor. Bye!